Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying identity. Keep your scenic and both phones handy. Open the updated Easypaisa app and sign in. Once logged in, go straight to Settings or Profile to begin. You do this because the app needs to confirm account ownership before altering contact details. Make sure notifications and SMS permissions are allowed so verification codes arrive. If the app prompts for app lock or biometric, complete those steps now. This prevents lockouts during the phone number change. Next, select the Change Mobile Number option and carefully enter your new number. Accuracy matters to receive the OTP. Once entered, the app sends an OTP to the new phone. Type it exactly as received. You may also need to re-enter scenic digits or a transaction PIN for added security. This verifies you control both identity and the new SIM. If the app requests a selfie or photo of scenic, follow prompts and keep lighting clear so verification succeeds without delays. After successful OTP and identity checks, confirm the change. Once done, log out and log back in to verify your new number displays. Make sure link services, bank transfers, bill payments, saved beneficiaries, reflect the update and reauthorize any payment PINs if prompted. If verification fails, check Signal and SIM activation, then request a new OTP or contact Easypaisa support. A common fix: restart your phone and retry. This clears network caches and often resolves SMS delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.